Okay, the first thing you need to do is glue your poem down on the back of your 4 square paper. Then you need to number your lines on your poem. It's a little bit blurry. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 16, 17, 18. So 18 lines total. It's only one big stanza, so we can write one on the side if we want to, but we don't need to. Okay. Let's go ahead and write author's message out to the side so that once we're done, we can determine, did the author write this to make us feel a certain way or to teach us something, or even to give us facts. As I'm reading, we're listening for rhyming words. Remember, rhyming words are at the end of the sentences. Little bat. Small and furry, little bat, fly through the sky at night. Listen, listen, little bat, as echoes guide your flight. We've got night and flight. Lines 3 and 5 rhyme. Swoop and dive, little bat, catch insects as you fly. Hurry, hurry, little bat, back to your nearby cave. Snug and warm, little bat, toes hold the ceiling light. Sleepy, sleepy, little bat, wrapped in your wings until night. Light and night. So lines 14 and 18 rhyme. This poem has rhyming words, so that means it is not a free verse poem. It wasn't written like a song, and it didn't make me laugh, so I know this is a narrative poem because it was written like a story. The author wasn't trying to make me feel any certain way, and he wasn't trying to teach me a lesson. This was just a fun poem to give facts about bats. So fun poem to give facts about bats. Then, if you flip it over, in the box that says author's message, you'll write it again. Fun poem to give facts about bats. If ever this is going too fast for you, you will pause it and write. Anything I write, you write. Let's go ahead to vocabulary and write the word swoop. We heard this word already when we read Stella Luna, but we're going to go back into our poem to find it. Okay, right here on line 6 it says swoop. I'm going to circle it, and I'm going to go up a little bit and read above and below it. Listen, listen, little bat, as echoes guide your flight. Swoop and dive, little bat, catch insects as you fly. I'm thinking of a bat flying in the air and also an insect flying in the air and how it might be hard to catch it and how he might have to dive or swoop down quickly to catch it. So on the other side for swoop, we're going to write to dive quickly. Next, we're going to look at lines 4 and 5, where it says, listen, listen, little bat, as echoes guide your flight. This is appealing to our sense of hearing. It says listen, listen, those are my clues, and we also know that the echo is a sound. So lines 4 and 5 appeal, remember, that means makes me think of, appeal to my sense of hearing. Next, I want to look at line 14 that says, toes hold the ceiling light. I'm imagining in my head a bat, its toes holding on to the ceiling light. So this is imagery. It's making an image in my mind. I kind of see a bat with his toes holding on to the light, wrapped up in his wings, going to sleep. It makes an image in my mind. I'm also noticing a lot of repetition in this poem. Little bat, little bat, little bat, little bat, little bat. Those are all repeated lines. Also, listen, listen, hurry, hurry, sleepy, sleepy. Those are all repetitions. Now we're going to cross out grammar and we're going to call it reader's response. I'm going to write the question. You don't have to. As soon as you know what the question is, you can log off and answer the question at your seat and then move on. The question is, write one fact you've learned about bats this week. Something new you have learned this week.